Good afternoon, dear children. Army Public School Primary Wing Udhampur welcomes Class 1 to the online class of subject EVS. Children, today we are going to learn about chapter number 7, that is My Neighborhood. In this chapter, we will learn about the people who live near our house. They are called our neighbors. We will also understand about the places and the buildings near our house that makes our neighborhood. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about different people and their occupation. Children, when we come out from our house, we find other people around us. They live in other houses. They are called our neighbors. Children, then there are some important places close to our house, or there may be some buildings close to our house like school, bank, shops, post office, etc. All these form our neighborhood. Children, now let's learn about these important places. So, first one is school. Children, school is a place where we learn different things. For example, we study in Army Public School, Udhampur. Right? Children, we learn to draw, dance, play, sing, and we also study different subjects in our school. Children, we enjoy different activities in our school. So, school is a learning place. Then comes bank. Bank is a place where we keep our money safe. Banks also give money to the needy people as loan. Then comes market. Children, market is a place where different shops sell different things. We buy food, clothes, medicines, etc. from the market. Shopping mall is a place where we can go to buy things like clothes, shoes, etc. all under one roof. It is also having food courts and movie hall. Post office. Children, here we post letters in the letter box from where the postman collects letters and take them to the post office. From post office, these letters are sent to different places. So, it is the place that carries our letters and our important things. Then there are many offices nearby your house. Then we have park near our house. Park is a place where we play with our friends. Hospital. Children, it is a place where we go when we feel sick. Doctors in the hospital treat sick people and nurses take care of the patients. Now children, let's learn about different people in our neighborhood. Children, there are many people in our neighborhood who serves us by doing their job. By serving the people of the neighborhood, they earn money for their living. So they do different kinds of jobs. For example, watchman. A watchman guards our homes, flats, buildings, schools, parks, etc. Sweeper or cleaner. A sweeper cleans the roads and streets. Domestic helper. Children, a domestic helper cleans our homes, utensils and washes clothes. You must have seen the domestic helper at your home also, who helps your mother for the household work. Carpenter. Children, a carpenter makes beautiful furniture. For example, your chair, table, dining table, bed, etc. all are made by the carpenter. Greengrocer. A greengrocer sells vegetables. Fruit seller. A fruit seller sells fruits. Children, Then we have policemen. A policeman protects people in different ways. They protect us from thieves, they protect us from dacoits, and they also helps to maintain discipline in the neighborhood. Barber. A barber gives us the best hairstyle by cutting our hair. Cobbler. A cobbler mends or repairs our broken sandals or shoes. Tailor. A tailor stitches our dresses. Teacher. A teacher teaches us at school. In our school, we have different teachers for different subjects. Doctor. A doctor treats our illness in a hospital. Baker. A baker bakes cakes and pastries. Driver. A driver drives a car. Postman. As we already have discussed, a postman carries the letters and delivers those letters and parcels from the post office to different houses. Children, these were all the people who help us in our neighborhood. Children, we must respect all the members in our neighborhood. Tomorrow again, we are going to continue with this chapter. We will learn about some more people who entertain us, who help us, and who gives us their services. So, for now, thank you. Children, be a part to make your living place a better place.